you move make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me close.
Very good morning guys, and welcome back to another lifestyle vlog. So after a very long time I'm doing a lifestyle vlog actually. So this video also will be a mix of different parts. Okay, so today is basically not Saturday, not Sunday. Today is basically Friday. Okay, so I'm going to work currently. This is my uniform. Okay, so I have to go to work first because today there is one blood donation. Okay, so as you know, we are there's a huge requirement of blood in a lot of hospitals and all. So a lot of shortages have been going on. A lot of people have been suffering because there is no blood which is available. Okay, so there are like these small organizations, big organizations in Dubai which organize this blood donation. So today's blood donation is organized by our very own Goans community in Dubai. Okay, as you know, I belong from Goa. So today's vlog will be on the blood donation plus different vlogs as well. So my main motive is to show you all the blood donation, how it happens in Dubai, and if you all want to donate blood, what are the process. Okay, you all can voluntarily also go and donate. This is my second time in Dubai. Okay, in Dubai is my second time. I guess in Goa almost 3 times or something I must have donated. Okay, so 3 times or 4 times, not very sure. I guess it's 3 times. Okay, but in Dubai this is my second time today. So let's see what is the kind of procedure and all. Okay, right now first it's almost 7 o'clock now. I have to go to work in Al Quoz. So from Al Nada I'm driving back to Al Quoz now. Okay, and on the way also I will show you some shots and all, and directly meet you all in the office. Okay, so but no vlogging in the office, just some small shots and all. Okay, because office and all I don't like to vlog. So let's head towards the office now.
Let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be there. There's no air left to breathe. Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on water. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. Always be there. Yeah, I know you will always be there. Yeah, I know you will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be there. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you, baby. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you, 'cause you make me feel like.
Welcome back guys. So I'm done with my work and I have reached Jadaf now. Okay, Dubai Health Authority. So this is the area over here. I will just show you around. Okay, so make sure that you have some good food and all, and only then come, otherwise please don't come. So I had some juice and all. I bought a full bottle only and I had kept, so that's the reason juice has kept me hydrated. Okay, so I'll show you the building now, and let's get inside also the building right now.
Out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be
donation is already started. They are removing the raspberry now. Okay, so something good also should be done sometimes. Okay, so this is all what I can give. Okay, poor people can only donate blood, nothing else more than that. Okay, money and all, please don't ask. Only blood donation. Jitna chahe utna लो. So currently going on, maybe another 5 to 7 minutes, and then we can proceed ahead. Okay.
One who knows me. You will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be. Come on, let me.
So guys, so blood donation is done for today. Very sorry I couldn't record anything because that was a restricted area, so they were not allowing to record, over there. And secondly, when I was coming home, there were like 2-3 passengers who wanted to go to the metro station, so I had to drop them off. They were Goans only, so I completely forgot when I was driving. Took a lot of time because it's the Friday today, so it's almost 8:15 now. I left at 6:15. It took me 2 hours to reach. Okay, usually that's the same route which I take it to the church, but today's route actually took a lot of time to reach. Okay, by the way, they have given this certificate also. Okay, so it's from Saint Mary's Catholic Church. Okay, so from Saint Mary's, thank you so much all the Goans community. And this is the band-aid. Okay, it's almost coming out because of sweat and all. Okay, make sure that whenever you're going, have some juice and all go. Please do not go dehydrated. Make sure that you drink a lot of water and a lot of juice and all. Of course, refreshments are also provided, but make sure that you also be hydrated, okay, on your own. And I would urge you all, please go ahead and donate blood. Okay, there is no loss in it. Okay, only specific restrictions are there which you will get to know. Okay, if you're in Dubai and you'll want to join any Goans community group, you all can message me on Instagram. The link will be down for the Instagram. Okay, so you can go, you all can contact me on Instagram. I will add you all in the group. Okay, so this was the blood donation, guys. Okay, we'll be continuing this vlog because this is a lifestyle vlog. Okay, so tomorrow, let's see, not very sure about the weekend. Okay, right now I'm just going home, eating my dinner, and then going to sleep directly. Maybe tomorrow I might just go out somewhere. So tomorrow's plan, we'll see. Okay, I'll be continuing this vlog in 2 to 3 things. Okay, 2 to 3 videos. Lighting is very bad over here. Okay, so that was it. I will see you in the next upcoming day. So good night, take care, and please don't donate blood if you can. Okay, go ahead.
Hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back. Today is the Sunday, so today I have to go to the church, so leaving for that church. But before leaving for the church, I'll be going to Lulu's because there are these plastic bottles. Okay, too big of them, almost collected them for like a month now. Okay, and there is one recycling plant actually in Lulu Al Barsha. Okay, it's not Lulu Al Barsha, Lulu Al Gises. Okay, so there is this machine which is there where you can deposit, and I guess there is some cashback or something or the other which you can earn. Okay, so after like depositing all the bottles and all, so let's find out what is it. Okay, it is a good initiative. Okay, I have seen some machines in Carrefour also, but never used them, so first time we'll be using. Collected all the bottles and all for a month. Okay, so before heading to the church, let's head towards Lulu also. Okay, and then I have one small battery to be replaced of my grip. Okay, the camera grip that I use. Okay, it has electric features, so the battery has died. So because of that, we need to replace the battery also, and there is one watch shop over there, so there only we can do the replacement of the battery. Okay, and by the way, weather is too bad. It's very, very hot. I guess it's around 51 degree or 52 degree today. Okay, literally been 10 minutes just packing up all the bottles and full drenched with sweat. Okay, so make sure that you carry your umbrella when you are going. Sorry. Okay, make sure that you carry your umbrella wherever you are going in this heat. Stay away from this heat. Okay, from the direct sunlight. Okay, even though I'm standing inside the parking building now, but still, okay, it's very hot. And Tesla saving. Duracell battery, engine. anyways, lot of Teslas in Dubai. This is my parking, 5th floor. Okay. Anyways, so let's head towards Lulu Al Gises now. Let's deposit. Let's see what are the kind of benefits that I get from these bottles. Okay, I've been packing those big bags. So let's go and deposit. Okay. And by the way, don't forget to drink enough of water. Okay. Make sure that you have enough of water for me. Yes guys, I had come to Lulu, okay, but the only problem is that there were a lot of queue over there, so I bought my stuff back. Good thing is that I at least got my battery replaced. Okay, so I have downloaded the app and all. So I guess there is one location near the church which is Wafi Mall. So let's see if that is like occupied completely or there is any rush over there, and only then we will decide whether should we deposit or no. Right now getting late to go to the church because I waited almost for an hour, but that uncle, I guess he bought like whole building ka bottles only. So anyways, let's go towards the church and then later on I will meet y'all. Okay, I will just check the location, and by the way, very hot, so make sure that you carry your water. Water also has become hot here, कुछ तो पीना पड़ेगा. Okay, so mass and all is done. I'm come to Wafi Mall now. Okay, 2 big bags. So let's see if we can get it in Carrefour. Okay, let's try to deposit all of this. I'm not really sure if they have or no, but Carrefour should have. Okay, so let's carry out. Let's execute it.
I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you.
Yes guys, so only one bag I was able to deposit because it's going to give me only around 200 points. Okay, so within 24 hours I can deposit only 200 around 40 bottles, which means around 200 points. Okay, so after 24 hours I can deposit more 40 bottles and I can earn more 200 points. Okay, so that's the limit Carrefour is giving. So anyways, okay, it was a good initiative. Next time whenever we come to the church, maybe I will do it. Okay, and most probably every 15 days I will try to deposit something or the other so that I can earn some points, and the waste also goes properly because they will be recycling it, and they'll be doing something or the other, which is a very good initiative. Okay, so right now heading back. Very hot over here in the parking lot, very hot. Okay. Very good evening guys, and welcome back to the same vlog. So another week, another weekend, and another Saturday. Time just flew from last Sunday to today's evening on Saturday. So today I had just come to the church for the mass, okay, because it's very hot outside. Not easy to go out during the afternoons, and also I skip Sunday masses and I come for Saturday masses. Counts in Sundays only. So anyways, okay, today's evening almost half is done, half is yet to. Okay, it's almost like 8:45 now. Planning to go towards Dubai Mall. Okay, it's been almost around 1.5 year plus only that I have not been in Dubai Mall now. Okay, so let's go towards Dubai Mall. Okay, let me just show you the Dubai Mall once again, and let's try some Albek also. Okay, since a very long time didn't have Albek, because whenever I go to Dubai Mall, Albek is necessary. Okay, so let's try Albek also. So let's drive towards Dubai Mall. It will be very crowded also over here now because of the church. All the cars are coming out and all. So let's drive towards Dubai Mall. Okay, I will directly see you in Dubai Mall.
Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Don't let me hold you now.
Almost 15 minutes to find the parking only. Okay, from top level, down level, very busy. Tesla supercharger for free. Okay, you can charge your vehicles for free over here. Dubai government is promoting EV. Okay, so now let's walk towards the lift. Okay, and then let's go to Dubai Mall. Okay, so not very sure how we'll be reaching.
I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Don't let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. I just want
Yes guys, after almost half an hour I got my order from Albek. So this is the Pepsi combo. There's some coleslaw now. Let me just open and show it to you. Okay guys, so this is the meal. Okay, this is like 4-piece roasted chicken, coleslaw, some Pepsi. Okay, these are garlic sauces. Okay, so this is the meal. This cost around like 28 dirhams, and this is the special one which you always have to have. Okay, and this is the view of the Burj Khalifa. So this is the place you can come outside and sit with the views of the Burj Khalifa also. Okay, in front of you, behind of you. Otherwise you have an indoor sitting also which is fully crowded and packed. But right now it's almost around 10:30, so not much of people, but still. Okay, so far so good. Let me just enjoy my dinner a bit and then I will meet you at the next. Okay.
just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind.
Okay guys, that was it for today's vlog. Okay, I am going to end this vlog over here only. I hope you liked different shots, different days. So this is how I spend my time in Dubai. Okay, all by myself. Okay, I don't have any companion. The only companion is my car. Okay, and me and myself. Okay, so that was it. Okay, and as always, I never finished my meal. Always, as always, I never finish my meals. Okay, but totally worth it. Huh? So if you're going towards Albek, if you want to buy Albek and have it, then I would recommend you chicken broast. And there are other items also, but the chicken broast is the best one. Yes, so welcome back. There was a lot of noise because there was some Teslas charging over there. Okay, I'll put one shot over here. Like lot of Teslas and so much of noise they make while charging. I mean, I don't understand. Our petrol vehicles don't make so much of noise when they are getting refilled, but this Teslas too much of noise. Okay, so anyways, I was telling you about Albek. So if you're going to Albek now, you can try the broasted chicken. The broasted chicken actually has spices injected to it. So I don't know. So the broasted chicken has spices injected to it. That's the one thing that I always try. So that was like the best part. And as always, I never finish my meals. I always bring it home only. I just had little bit and I was almost done for today. Okay, so this was one thing. And secondly, if you want to go towards the fountain area, then please search for Five Guys. Okay, Five Guys. Or there is Tim Hortons also over there. So if you go towards Five Guys now, you will reach directly near the fountain area. Today the fountain area was closed because it's under renovation. It will open somewhere in September or October, so 1 or 2 months more, and then the fountain area also will be opening up. It will look very nice. And secondly, if you want to take good pictures, go on the first floor of Apple Store. Okay, go outside in the Apple Store, and there you can click some nice photos and all. I went over there only because down there was like all these barricades and all because they had closed the fountain area, so it didn't make any sense. So I went on the first floor. It was really nice. Okay, so this was Dubai Mall for me today. As always, I come all by myself only. I enjoy myself to the max, to the fullest. Not any problem for me at all. Okay, so this was it. I will see you in the next upcoming vlogs. Ending the vlog today only. So take care. Goodbye. Thank you. Love you all.